ain't even see y'all right there. Today, you know, it's a special episode because we doing a double collab, and the collab is Exotic Pop and Lit. Now, it says Lit Culture down at the bottom. Premium hemp wrap. So this is a hemp wrap. Also, and this is Paradise Express flavor. But you know, it's a lot going on right now, and I'm happy that you guys came on in here because you know, as you've seen, you know, I'm doing this exotic pop review, and I'm doing the Lit Culture or Lit hemp wrap as well. So I don't know if you've seen this, but you know, it has some default top technology like the Kingpin hemp wraps as well. I think that might be a little thing or it's something that they do with the hemp, but I will tell you that this folded a lot better than the Kingpin one because it's still sticking. The Kingpin ones kind of come loose a little bit. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm over here, man. Go on and hit this pop right quick, man. Get some of that pop. I'm gonna share with y'all first, man. Yeah, taste that up, man. Mind if I? Okay. Yeah. That's that this that bubble gum right here. And as you've seen a little bit of this Pull Up, that's Sierra exclusives, Drunken Bunny. So you know, I had a little bit, you know, I reached out and you know, I had a little bit left over. So I pulled it up with y'all. You know, I love to share with y'all, man. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I love to share with y'all. As you seen, I pulled up this old time bubble gum right here. You didn't really get to see it too much, but then we got this cotton candy, and this one ain't pulled up. This is that Sun-Kissed Peach, but go on and hit this, and I'm gonna tell you guys about this exotic pop. Yeah, hit that. What you think? Not bad, huh? Nice little hemp, you know, smooth. Actually, it's not bad. I can't complain at all. Yeah, but about this exotic pop, if you guys don't know about exotic pop is you know, a new premium company that they get all these exotic flavors of different sodas and you know, bring them to you, man. They have all kind of flavors and at all kind of prices, you know. So I will say one thing about exotic pop is that, you know, if you ain't really got it, then you know, it's worth a try for everybody, but the price ranges do vary depending on location. I paid upwards of $6 for this soda. I think these are all upwards of $6. And then, you know, I got a little pull up, you feel me? So, you know, we get real exotic around here. This for y'all. You seen me pull that one right there, right? But I saved a little bit. I'm about to pull up for y'all too. And we gonna pull up together and taste this. So, you know, go on and hit this. Yeah. Tell me what y'all think. And man, stay tuned because we about to take off and get off into this other one. And you know, I'm gonna take my cup with me. And I'll see y'all. Yeah. Now that's more like it. You know. Hopefully you guys are tuned in. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to hit the notification bell. Hit that exotic pop. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think. If you got time, watch another one of these videos, man. I got some new interviews and artists and a lot of stuff going on. So check that out too. All the support is appreciated. But it wouldn't be right if I didn't come over here and show you guys, you know, first and foremost, you know, what this exotic pop's all about. And we also still off this Lit Culture Paradise Express. And yeah, it's really working. Hit that. Yeah. Shout out to my guy DJ Lolo. Hopefully he held down the last episode. You know, hopefully he was sharing with y'all, because if he wasn't sharing, then, you know, I had to talk with my man. But, you know, I know he was, because that's my guy right there. That's the guy. Yeah, so we right here off in old exotic pop, you know, land. As you can see back there, we got the Sun Kiss. We got the vanilla cream. That's the Canada Dry Ginger Ale, and the bubble gum and the cotton candy. That's the peach Sun Kiss. But they have a multitude of flavors and a multitude of prices. Like I said, I found out firsthand. I went over there and just grabbed a bunch of different ones, and the price I had. Long story short, I had to put a few back. But as you can see, I got me a cup. You know, we pulled up. We doing our thing. We got the Lit Culture. And, you know, we really having a good time. Man, hit that. You know, I know this one's a little bit longer, but I wanted to show you guys firsthand and pull up with you guys, so then that way you guys can see right there how everything works out. You know, and you know, everybody has a different thing they want to pull up with. Me, as you seen, it was that old CBD lean to pull up. But you know, I'm not here to hate or discriminate. I'ma sit with you. You know, and that's how we do. So man, all support is appreciated. Feel free to like, subscribe, share, get off in the comments. Links in the description. Go ahead and check something out, man. You might find something in there that you like. Also, if you like that music that's playing, that's my man Jimmy Castle, one of my good DJ extraordinaire, producer, engineer. So man, be on the lookout. Links also in the description, and you're gonna be hearing a lot more from my man. So just keep your eyes open. But before we go on and get you one of them. You hear me? And get that one, man. We almost finished the whole thing this time. If y'all still sitting here, if you haven't, you really are a true supporter.